welcome back to, oh my goodness, my hair, my chaotic world. I'm waiting for my friend now because I can't figure out my way around this space. Oh my god, my hair. I can't figure out my way around this space, so I'm waiting for my friend right now at Subway because it's getting desperate right now. I tend to take wrong turns. Is this her? No, it's not her. I tend to take wrong turns, so that's also fun. But we're going to the beach today, impromptu. Hopefully we get there and we can spend like an hour or two there because it's supposed to storm at 5. I wasn't gonna go today at all because I thought it was going to rain today, but the weatherman just can't get it together. But I'm gonna go now because there's a car next to me. Say hi. Hold on, it's gotta zoom in. You gotta say. Y'all, okay, this spider is literally, if my freaking camera was zooming, this spider has been tormenting me since I left the Target parking lot. Oh my goodness. And I'm sitting over there in the car. She don't care. I said, "Naya, say hi to the vlog." She poked her head up. She poked her head up for 1 second. Oh my goodness. It's crawling. Is it inside my car? Ah! Is it inside my car? Oh, it's not. I'm doing the freaking most, bro. Oh my. Look at my tan.
You don't have a tan.
Don't do it to me. You got my butt. Stop. I'm glad I got another pair of Crocs in my bag, in my shoes. I'm glad I got another pair of Crocs in my car.
Don't you supposed to say something like, please subscribe?
Wait, yes, say please subscribe.
If you give me $5.
No.
She said if you give me $5.
That's a wrap.